Hindi, pupuwing. Pag mag-flash ka, lumalabas pa rin yung pupo. Lumalabas pa rin yung pupo kahit na-flash mo na. So I have to flush it like a lot of times. Teeth. Before we go to sleep. But my teeth is naturally yellow. It's not white. My dad has yellowish teeth. At saka sobrang lakas ng ano, too much information. Ay nako. Akala nyo di kayo tumatae, ha? Over sa TMIsis. Okay. Ayaw ko magpabingir. Guys, ang OA nyo, soft brittle to. Bristles. Sobrang soft lang niya. Pag ganyan mo, hindi siya masakit. Tsaka, soft lang siya. Hindi siya ano. Yung anuhin niyang toothbrush, yung soft bristles. As in, para siyang buhok lang, guys. Ayoko, masakit. Hindi din ako nagmumugbog after pag-toothbrush. As in, dura and then wash ng face lang. Tsaka recently, mabilis lang kapitan ng, alam mo yung matitigas, yung parang bato-bato sa anong ngipin. Hindi to ko. Kasi nagka-crowd siya because of my, my molars. Oh yeah, also tartar. Tsaka ang feeling ng mga tao, akala yung iba hindi sila nagkakatartar do. We're all human beings. Maglagay ulit ako ng facial. Kasi gusto ko tanggalin to. Tingnan niyo. Okay lang. Gusto ko patanggalin siya kasi nafe-feel ko na yung pain. Nag-aano na yung ano ko. Yung bigla siyang tumigas, tapos ito sobrang sakit. Pag nga, parang, ano yung parang nag-cramps? Or nag-cramps lang ako, hindi ko lang alam. No, I'm not going home this time of the year. Because I've already gone back and forth about 5 times already. Yeah, naglalak Jolock. Shout out kay Ja from Qatar. Za. November 11 po, great. Happy birthday kay Darlene Nabasca. Oh, November 11th. Ayoko umuwi. Mahal ng pamasahe. Wish ko lang, pag sa birthday ko, wish ko sana yung mga yung mga local sa Siargao who's locally born and raised there or raised there ever since they're little has a discount because it's so unfair. Like locals right now naghihirap ng malala kasi everything is dollars. Like very American na yung yung billing. Kawawa yung mga taga dahil din yan sa corrupt. I know. Yeah, mas mura pa yung Singapore. Actually, mas mura pa yung Singapore, guys. Yung ticket sa Siargao ngayon, parang ticket na sa Japan. Back and forth. I know, right? Exactly. What? I use Allen as my nickname. Cute. Pag inalaw na ako mag-travel alone or with someone, then I'll go with you. As for now, I don't have the privilege. What's up, Garnier po, guys. At saka kung mag-wash kayo ng face after ng sabon nyo, huwag nyong i-rub. Parang i-ganon nyo. Anong tawag nun? Parang i-ganon lang. Tapos, hintayin mo lang na parang mag-dry siya. Then, okay na. Tapag ko yung sabon. Kasi, girl, dyan magkakasugat yung face mo. I hate it pag nakain ko yung sabon sa buka. Huh? Pwede rin. I like to dry it by itself lang before I put something on my face. Oo. Ay, hindi nyo alam, Uncle. Okay. Kung may bahay ni Kuya, bahay ni Uncle to. Tingnan nyo, guys. Kuya! Bahay ni Uncle Carla nyo, ah. Ayan, oh. Oh, bahay ni Tito. Literal. Like, Kuya, dito yung confession room namin. Kuya, kasi... Kala nyo, may sa labas pa. Diba? Bahay ni Tito, CCTV din. Bongga! Kala nyo, ha? Sa susunod niyan, meron na din sa kwarto ko. Baka sa susunod, meron din dyan, para makita tayo ng Tito. Confession room to. Ito yung confession room. Sala/confession room. Kasi Tito, kasi ino-nominate ko po yung Sunshines. Kasi nagiging tik-tik na rin sila. Yung Angels din, kasi nagiging Sigbins din sila. Tsaka, yung mga Aces din, kasi nagiging aswang na rin sila. I-nominate ko po si Antibet, like, put all of the, like, na mga, ang tawag nun? Mga paintings, or mga arts, nilalagay sa Tsaka, yung ginagawa ko pag nakauwi ako, inuwi ko siya sa Siargao para doon naman ilagay. Ngayon, may malaki akong doon. Tawag nito parang, what do you call this? picture? Frame picture, like family picture, tapos parang naka-sketch lang siya. Nagay dun sa, sa Siargao. Oh, I thought, nilagay ko sa tingnan niyo kung gaano kaputla, guys. Hashtag, what we call this, iron deficiency. This girl has iron deficiency. Ooh la la. Where the heck? Okay, it's here. COA. Okay, let's go upstairs. Oh! Oh! Parang may nakalimutan ako. Ano mo nakalimutan ko? I forgot. What am I forgetting? What the heck? Really, seriously. I'm forgetting something. Oh my god, look at how pale I am. Tingnan niyo, bagay sa akin maging multo. Where are... Wait, tumanog. Get out, wherever you are. The frick, I got scared of myself. May nararamdaman ako. Wait lang, sorry guys. I can feel somebody's watching me. Diba ang galing ng makeup ko? Tingnan mo. Ako lang nag-makeup sa sarili ko. Kamebe. Oh no. It's so freaking pale. See, I don't have masyadong kilay. Di may kasama siya. Spirit ko. I told you guys. I also sometimes I get dizzy. And it's because the iron deficiency is deficiencying. I don't know if it's a word. Hi, Blythe. Oh my God, sa Halloween. Sa 1, sige, magme-makeup ako ng, yung dugu-dugu. Makeup, horror makeup. I'll try something creative sa Halloween. Kain maraming gulay. Hindi kain maraming gulay. Kain ng red meat. I need the iron. Pwede din. I would like to be something that looks crazy. Something that's psychotic. Because it's nice. Ang kati dito. Ito. Ito yung part. Laging kumakati ilong ko, guys. Kuha ko ulit. Sinipunan ko. Wait lang. Ayoko nga. Nagpa-practice ako mag-Tagalog. Pinipilit ko ako mag-Bisaya. Tapos kung mag-Bisaya ako, nagagalit kayo. Binabash nyo ako kasi pangit yung ng Bisaya. Alam nyo, you guys are so... Make up your mind, people. I mean, make up your mind. I don't even know what my eye color is. Is it light brown? Brown? It's not hazel. Definitely not hazel. Because hazel has green. I don't have any green in my eyes. I don't know if it's amber. Ano po yan? Ang tawag nito? Ang tawag niyan? Anong tawag? AC, the aircon. Huy guys ha, mag-aalas 12 na pero nandito pa kayo. Feeling ko mag-end na ako. Pag 12, mag-end na tayo. Matulog na kayo. Itong mga tik-tik na to ha, nagpahalata yung mga tik-tik, yung mga sigbin, tsaka yung mga aswang, nandito lahat. Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Wala, inaantok na rin ako. Advance thank you kay Ate Ans tsaka kay Tita Cons. Thank you so much. Muna. Welcome sa buhay maligno. Oh yeah, thank you kay Tita Con sa suha, sa grapes at saka sa apples. It's downstairs. Kakainin namin yun tomorrow. Kasi it's nighttime na eh, and di na nakaka-digest ng maayos yung tiyan. Kumusta daon? Who are you? Are you... Hoy! Feeling ko si Marigold to. Marigold! Feeling ko classmate ko to si user 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Feeling ko classmate ko yan. Tama ka! How? Marigold! Where are you? This is one of my closest classmates in Siargao National Science High School, who always sura me with the daon. Hi, Pia. Angelo, I've been to Leyte. Every time during my my elementary days, our vacation is always in Leyte, southern Leyte. And I love Leyte because Leyte is one of the the few places that makes me feel like peaceful. It's really peaceful in Leyte. I love Leyte. Pasimuta inhaler. My inhaler is mine. Bumili ka? That's nice, Lance. Ate Lance. I love Leyte. And the people there too are so kind, so welcoming. I never feel different when I'm there. Yeah, I've met her. Like, kasama kami sa bench. Doon ka siya nakausap ng, I think, like, a good amount, but not that much. Just a hi, hello, and then, kamusta? How is your experience? Ganun. Not too deep. Like, all of the people I've met, in all fairness, are all good people. Some are not. Kasi magkaiba naman lahat eh. Sometimes there are people, we are a villain in other people's stories, and sometimes we're the heroes. And sometimes we find other people the villain of our story. Kasi nga tayo yung bida sa sarili nating story. This is our lifetime. This is our lives. I know! But my favorite, even way before, was sa Mainit, where the hot springs are. Because that's my dad's favorite place to go. And it's relaxing. I love... Babaho nga lang kasi nga sulfur, diba? So it stinks. It stinks like poop. It stinks like poo-poo. Like rotten eggs. Or utot. Like that. But it's normal. It's pretty normal. Because it's sulfur. That's my favorite place. And Hindagan full sa Hindagan. Happy birthday, Ate Star! Yeah, sa Anahawan. Oo, bagada doon. Yeah, I remember it's Anahawan. That's my dad's favorite place, I think. Is it called Mainit? Diba there's a part din called Mainit? Remember? Or, I don't remember. Or I am just diluluwing. Who knows? Ano, angko na? What? Ayo, angko na, panghatab sab. Duh! Ayoko nga. Pilitin mo ha. Pilit po. Ubus na. Bye, Fina, guys. This is freaking good. This is so freaking good. It dries up my pimples. Like, it dries up. It chills them. And I'm all good. But, I just ordered again. So, paubos na kasi. Tingnan mo, wala na talaga. Wala na talaga. Titulukin ko na lang to. Yan na lang dami. Kala nyo marami yan. Hindi yan. Nililigo ko to sa muka. Ah, it's not dropping. Ayan. Oh no! Please! Ah, the freak. There's no laman na. Ay, naka. Yes, I was told na maganda din sa Inanuan Beach. Santi Bingbing shared it to me. It's nice there daw. Sino si Chira Jean? You're my idol since nag-aaral pa ko until now. What do you mean? You're finished na studying? Diyan na ba alam there's I cannot go home. Like I was asked then by Ma'am Basubas, but I cannot go home pa. Trabaho ani ako lang. Si pula-pula girl. Si pulahin. Alam niyo, para kung na-sunburn. But anyway, so wala lang yan mamaya. Yes, I finished my study. That's good! Good job! Buti di mo ginamit yung gua sha, G. Wag mo na kasi mahapdi pag nilagyan. At saka kasi naglagay ako ng makeup. Ganyan pag naglagay ako ng makeup kasi humahapdi siya. Kaya siguro ako nagkaka-pimples. Diyan na lamang, diton, adyaw, isip pa, tong pandaot ng iban. Salamat lang! Okay na ko lang, as long as you guys are there, and as long as I have the right people. You guys are my right people, and thank you. Oras na para matulog. Matulog ka na. Go to sleep. Close your eyes. Lullaby and good night. Close your eyes and sleep tight. Like a rose in its bed. Lay down your sweet head. Go. Paubos na din, no? Bibisit ako ulit sa maybe, I don't know, next week. Moisturizer serum. Kakatapos ko lang po, mag-i-enroll pa ako maybe next year. I don't know, but I still need to work kasi nakain ko. Yak! Ang pait! Ang pait! Pula-pula ko, guys. So, malabas yung pagka-puti natin. Uh, Sige, I haven't checked sa Daily Bible kung anong verse. Tapos tingnan natin. Ganyan yan minsan pag naka-makeup ako galing. Yes, mapdi siya. Pero normal lang yan. Sensitive kasi mukha ko. But then, good thing is that ito kasi na part, nagbabalat. Kasi galing ako nagpa-facial. Tsaka tinutusok-tusok yung mga pimples, yung mga pores. Alam mo yung parang tapos nag-laser kaya namamalat siya. Kaya din siya ma-update kasi nag-makeup din ako. So yung pagbabalat niya, pag naka-makeup, mas lalo siya namamalat. Tsaka mas nagdadry mukha ko pag may makeup. And at the same time, pag mag-oily ang face ko, ma-update din. But it's pretty normal because nagpa-facial ako. You know, pain is beauty. Right now. In my experience right now, pain is freaking beauty. Amping sablang. I miss you lang. Amping permi lang. Mawawala yan lang mamaya. Kasab lang. Amping mintin. I love you guys so much. I hope to see you soon again. Pag umuwi ako, bisitahin niyo ako ha. Alam niyo na kung saan ako nakatira. Chismis me the juicy chismises. I wanna sleep. Bible verse of the day. Ito na mamalat to. Tsaka ito. Tsaka dito. Kikita niyo may pula. Ito wala na. Ganyan lang talaga siya. Yung mga marks to. Mapupula talaga marks ko. Bible verse of the day. Hindi ko kasi ma-check dito. Kung ma-check ko dito sa phone ko yung Bible ko, mawawala tayo dito. Maputla lang ako guys kasi this girl has iron deficiency. She is white. The verse of the day is Romans 8:28. Search nyo. Romans 8:28. 8 verse 8:28. And we know that all things work together for good to them that love God. Sabi dito ay lahat ng mga bagay may mabubuting mangyayari sa mga taong nagmamahal kay God. To them who are called according to His purpose. At sa mga tao na tinatawag ni Lord, lahat tayo. Tinatawag tayo ni Lord, it's up to us to receive it or receive and, ano tawag nito? May tawag nito, receive and accept His calling according to His purpose. We are not the captain of our lives, but God is the captain of our lives. It's just up to us to build up the temple in our hearts, the ship in our hearts, because God is helping us navigate whatever's going on with our lives. And then, just pray always. Thank you, Lord, for today's verse. I love you. I like this verse. Romans 8:28. And we know that all things work together for good to them that love God, to them who are called according to His purpose. Lahat tayo, we are called. It's just up to us if we're going to accept it and going to. Hoy, Bensoy! Think ka lang nag-ano. Bensoy!
What up?
I miss you! Why are you
I miss you,
up?
Ange. Kamusta mo ka?
Ako, okay lang ko. I miss you!
I miss you, bye.
I
Ano
miss
lalagay
you,
ka
bye. Lagi bye kay nag-facial man ko.
Musta man?
Okay, rahaman ka ko man.
Naara ko dali sa QC.
Nara ka sa QC? Okay.
Oh, ikaw.
I miss you guys! Namiss ko kayo.
Ikaw
Ako,
di, asa di ka?
okay na ako diri sa South.
South.
Boy,
Actually, nakita na ko yung mga
Unsa?
nag-share ka og sa mga Bible.
Yes, nag-share ko. Gusto ko makabate.
Actually, nag-unsa ko, tanaw
Ali, sharing pa!
Let's go.
Let's go. Walihami, please. I would like to listen. I would love to listen.
Makita sa word.
Sige.
Unsa lang ta, mga testimony.
Nakakay testimony?
Ay. Daghan.
Daghan? Sige.
Pero hindi mo Lord sa tuwa nga maayo.
Tinuod, daghan jud. We are called according to His purpose. Depende na to kung you know what, the most beautiful thing na gi-bless kita ni Lord with our will. Na kita'y choice. Kay kung wala tagaig choice, mga robot ta.
Dira gyud.
Buta ng Ginoo, nagtagaan patag choice. Sige na, ganahan ako hati.
Wait lang. Pangita pag unsa.
Are you Christian ba?
Yeah, ikaw.
Oo.
We?
Yeah.
Kapatid. Yeah, I am. Actually, unsa ko na first ko nakasulod sa unsa jud. First na ko nakilala sa Lord is 2020. 2021. Gi-invite ako in-invite na ako ng friend ko na mag-Bible study, and then hanggang sa na ako. Doon ko na na-feel yung presence ni Lord. That's why.
I'm so proud. Oh. You're making me
Ikaw
proud.
Ikaw di kanas ka na.
Daan na since birth. My dad and my mom. From my lolo and lola actually. Kaya nga ko lolo sa una, gabi bisyoso. Unya, gikuan sa gitawag pa siya sa ija friend na, ali, manimbata. Ana, kay, sige man, para para hubog, kaayo ako tatay, ako lolo, and para sigarilyo. Tapos perminti hubog. Then, tong gikol na siya, naibutan ako tatay. And then, my dad actually is a missionary.
Oh.
Yeah.
Maudi
ay, yeah. And then, na to.
Pero bitaw sa family na mo, lahi-lahi may religion. Like my mama o papa o mga igsoon ako, they're Catholic yun. Ako po Catholic po ko sa una. Pero itong naibalaan na ako ang unsay kamatuoran. Unsang tinunod.
Tama.
Pero it's not all about religion.
It is not.
It is about your faith.
The true religion is your relationship with God.
Relationship. Yeah. Dara yun sa relationship nimo kay Lord. Dara yun ang tunga. Ang church is just there to guide you, but the true church is in your heart.
Oh,
I'm so happy. Oh my God, Bensoy, message me and give me verses every day pod. Sharing ta.
No. Yeah, let's go. Let's do it, Ange. Let's do it, Ange.
Oo.
Gusto ko mag-streak sa TikTok like all unsa.
Oo, pwede
Look.
pod.
Tanawa. Tanawa ko
Wala, sabi?
Unsa. Look. Wait lang. Sana to.
Kaya walay kay kauban. Gara po dahil kauban. O man, devotion po ta.
Ganyan. Tanawa. It's all about.
Aww. Unsa man na ka ng repost?
Mga unsa. Tanawa. Ay mga verses. Ang mga makita nyo naman sa TikTok ang mga message.
Saan malapag lang tao, be?
I wish you could see how I see.
Oh.
You could see.
So mag-streak tayo niya. Send na kasi mo.
Sige, yes please.
And I wish that you
Bantay ha, bantay John.
because my son, my daughter, like if
Yeah. Angie.
Oh. I'm so happy.
Asa ka nag-church doon sa Manila?
Everywhere, bisan asa man, wala may kuy kuan, wala mga kuy what we call this. Wala ako'y like maintaining na church. I go wherever kung asa naa.
Yeah, tinuod.
Yeah.
Actually ako, if dili ko maka-church, actually, it's not all about church eh.
Oo.
Dili siya, unsa eh. Kaya ako marag, kung na ako diri sa condo, kunya, sometimes, pwede ra ka magsimbang ikaw ra diri isa. Talk to God,
Oo.
ikaw ra isa. Ano mas nindot, mas
Pero
peaceful.
devotion, nindot ganahan ko devotion. Favorite na ako mag-devotion every morning.
Yeah, like,
After mag-devotion, tulog balik.
like, amazing no, nang, kunwari, nagabasa kag Bible. Nabasa ka kung sa mga words si Lord. Oh, marag muli ko. Amazing. Nagtanong ko kung sa The Chosen.
Wala pa ko kita sa everybody's telling me to watch. I'll try
The
watch.
Chosen. Kung saan ako? Season 3 na ko.
Nindot?
Episode 6. Oh, yeah.
Really?
Nindot kayo.
I'll bench watch.
Tanawa. Actually, nag-play kong TV. Mag-continue kong watch ang ta. Nag-live pa man ko.
Ang happy ko, ang sobrang happy ko.
Why?
I'm so happy ra. At least na ko'y kauban.
Bitaw, ikaw ra puntisa? Actually dati,
Ba't na ikauban po?
backslider good ko.
Di okay ra. Just know na, yun ba sa Bible na all of us are sinners, but it's up to us to choose. So then, do not be ashamed. I know like sin, being sinful is really shameful, but at the same thing, like if you believe in the grace of God, God's grace is so beautiful, so magical, and it's so renewing.
Bitaw, no?
Kaya
Like-
ang ganda ng life because na-ay grace gikan kay God. Tapos depende naman jud na sa ato kung i-accept nato or dili. So normal raman na makasala kita. Ang importante mahibalo kita manghinulsol og mahibalo kita mangayo og pasaylo og magrepent.
Yeah, amen. Wait
Yeah.
lang, tawag si Wait lang.
Sige lang, go ahead.
Tawag lang si Papa. Sama ni.
Hello, Angkol.
Hello pa. Okay man lang. Ikaw daw, kamusta? Ha? Naman? Kaya live ko sa TikTok.
Hello, Uncle! Mayong gabi eh.
Sanji.
Mayong gabi eh, Uncle. Kamusta man ikaw? Asa man karon?
Asa man kami ko ani?